FoxFury Nomad Now is the world's premium go-anywhere light. It weighs less than 5 pounds and is designed for a small storage footprint. The Now is an extremely durable light and is constructed with high-quality materials. It is waterproof and submersible up to 10 feet and is impact resistant for drops up to 6.5 feet. The sliding diffuser lens turns the 12-degree spotlight to a 120-degree area light. The Nomad Now has 3 power modes for up to 24 hours of runtime. The light head swivels 45 degrees for easy focusing of the light. The battery indicator light changes from green to orange to red as the battery charge decreases. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery charges via AC or DC and comes standard with both charging cables. Use the included magnet mount to attach the Now to metal surfaces. The Now features remote activation control with single or multiple unit options. A variety of optional accessories increases Now's versatility and ease of use. Visit www.foxfury.com to see a complete selection of accessories. A small but powerful and durable unit, the Nomad Now is the perfect solution to your remote lighting needs.